Hello, my name is John Golden, and I'm your instructor for Calculus 1, the online section this summer, 2017. I've been waiting to make this welcome to the course video. I have a terrible cold. I keep thinking, surely the next day my voice will be better. But this is what it is, right? Today's the day that the video has to be made. Really looking forward to teaching this class, although it's a challenge. A lot of my beliefs about how students best learn math involve social interaction. Having students together, working in groups in a classroom on activities where you get to hear how each other think, hear each other's questions, and then as a community, we're always smarter together than we are individually. So how can we replicate some of those features in an online class? The class will still be built around activities, but we'll be completing them independently. The course is asynchronous, so you can complete it at your own pace. I do ask that you, if you're going to fall farther than 2 weeks behind, make sure you arrange with me that I know kind of how you're planning on completing the course. By the end of about 6 weeks, all 12 weeks worth of lessons should be up, so you could be done in half the time if you're willing to put that time in up front. I'm faculty here at Grand Valley. I've been here about 20 years. My PhD is in pure math, but most of my teaching is in math education. So I spend time with pre-service elementary teachers, pre-service high school teachers, or even sometimes graduate classes with in-service teachers, trying to think about effective teaching and learning of mathematics. I have special interests in art and math, combining those interests, combining those areas, and also in math games. There are some games we'll be able to do. One of the things I'll miss most about having the online class with people completing it at different times is that some of the games that I wish I could play with you just won't be feasible. But there are many interesting and fun things we'll be doing this summer, and I hope you enjoy the course. Next, I'm going to take you through just some of the kind of main places online for you to find in the course and how we'll work through kind of the day-to-day. But we'll be building up more information as we go on through this first week. The course will be asynchronous. So that means that you can complete the assignments at any time. Starting this first week, we'll just get up the first week's worth of assignments. But in subsequent weeks, I'll be putting up about 2 weeks of assignments at a time. Most of our information is going to be here at this Google Doc. The link is here, and that will be on Blackboard also. Blackboard will be using really just for grades. All the course information will be here on the Google Doc. You'll retain access to this after the semester, so you'll always be able to come back if there's something you want to find. And then we'll be using a discussion board called Piazza, which has a lot of features that are better than Blackboard's discussion features. Hopefully you'll find that to be relatively easy. Syllabus, which is one of the things to do for today. You'll see kind of an overview of the course, the specific objectives, what we're trying to get done this summer, and a long list of resources. Since we're online, we'll be doing a bunch of different things to try to kind of make up for not having that in-class experience. We'll be using Desmos activities. Desmos is a free online calculator that you can construct activities in. We'll be using Wolfram Alpha. We'll be doing activities that are based on GeoGebra. We'll be doing readings and watching videos. Not all the videos will be ones that I made. There are a lot of people who have made excellent calculus videos, and so we'll try to connect you to a variety of resources. Part of this being an online course is that it's much more independent, so you're going to have to kind of build the practice and build the structure that supports you best with my help. I'm always willing to support you and help you. Like looking at today, for example, we see a little bit about the course, this welcome to the course video that will be live once I finish making this. The assignments for today are just read the syllabus, join Piazza, and post an introduction. and then complete a survey about office hours. We'll do online office hours that will either use Google Hangouts or this service called Zoom or the Blackboard feature. So we'll try those out and see which one works best. Day 2, we start with the content. There'll be another video following this one. It's kind of welcome to calculus. There's a reading to do, and then what will often be the case is you use the discussion board to show that you've kind of completed the assignments for the day. And then often, right, it's a math class, we'll have things for you to practice for math. Day 2's practice is about finding symbolic rules for visual patterns. And there's information about this and an example of what I'm talking about on that course page. Okay, so welcome to the course, and let me know what questions you have after watching this, after reading the syllabus, and when you make your post in Piazza, or you can put your questions directly on the syllabus. And looking forward to this. Thanks very much.